Yes, students, I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for the students who have not given their presentation yet, and I'm not. I don't know why they are not giving their presentation. So, not by not giving
Sir,
presentation, they will lose their marks. And this
sir,
is yes, yes.
sir, I am here. My name is Komal. I want to give presentation.
So, where is your presentation?
Sir Philip Sydney,
Where is your
Komal
presentation?
Saleh.
Where is
Komal
it?
Saleh Mohammed.
Comments, Ali, but where is your present? Can you send me your presentation again right
Yes,
now?
sir.
Send me
Yes,
your
sir.
presentation quickly.
Yes, sir.
Just WhatsApp me. I have right now two presentation with me. One is of uh, Sania Lal Baksh, and second one is of Zargul Baloch. These are the two presentation which I have right now with me.
Sir, I'll
सर मैंने भी
send.
आपको सेंड की थी।
दोबारा भेज दें? आप लोग पर्सनली भेजते हैं ना,
यस
उसमें
सर, आई एम
मुझे
सेंडिंग यू
बहुत
अगेन।
प्रॉब्लम होती है। मैं CR को भेजे तो आसानी हो जाती। Okay, so I'm playing the presentation of uh, Komal Saleh. So you start, please.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Komal, and now I start my presentation. The topic is Sydney defense of poetry. So I first start the I first give introduction. Sir Philip Sydney. Sir Philip Sydney, born 1554, Kent, England, died October 17, 1886, Emden, Netherlands. Elizabethan courtier, statesman, soldier, poet, and patron of scholars and poets. Considered the ideal gentleman. It was written in 1855 and published after his death. This book in 1595. It is said to be first important critical text in literary criticism. Next slide is
See your next slide.
poetry. Yes, sir. An apology of poetry. So considered the best work to open the age of literary criticism in England. And it was written in 1585 and published in 1595. It is said to be the important critical text in literary criticism. Poetry according to Sydney. Sir, next slide.
Yeah, explain this slide. Explain करें इसे आप.
Sir, in this slide. So, poetry deals with two ideas, divine origin and their social utility of poetry. But I also describe what is the poetry. Poetry, according to Sydney, it is superior to philosophy by its charm, to history by its universally, to science by its moral, and to law its encouragement of humans and rather than civic goodness. Sydney deals. Poetry is art of imitation. And now I describe Stephen Gosson now four arguments of against poetry. Poetry is waste of time. Poetry is the mother of lies. Poetry is the nature of abuse, infecting us with many passionate desires. So now I describe first what is poetry is the waste of time. There is being many other more knowledge. A man might better spend the time than it's this. So there is mother is lies. There is the nurse of abuse, and the poetry against the first charge says they can't employ time more usually than is poetry. He says that no learning is so good. They teach move in the virtue, and the none can both teach virtue and third some more better, much poetry.
Okay. Tell me about the most important thing that you have understood from Sydney's apology for poetry.
Yes, sir.
What
What
is the
I
most
want
important
to,
thing? What is the
sir,
most important thing that you have understood?
what is most important thing is he describes kind of poetry is the good way of the not the bad. So now Stephen Gosson writing against of poetry. So now Sydney wrote in favor of poetry. That's why he wrote kind of poetry is not a bad thing. Poetry is a good. that is the arts of that give the anything of the with the help of poetry give anything. So that's why we wrote.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, the next one is, who is next one?
Sir, me
Uh,
Amreen Baloch. Amreen Lal.
in just wait, let me see whether I have got Sania Lal Bhatt. Zargul Baloch. Have you sent your Anam Abdullah? Okay, Amreen, what's your name? Full name?
Amreen Lal.
So,
Amreen
Amreen
Lal.
Lal. So have you sent? Just send me your presentation right now.
Sir, I sent you presentation on WhatsApp.
On right
Aristotle feature.
right now. अभी अभी भेजा आपने?
No, sir, अभी नहीं भेजा मैंने आपको.
अभी भेजें दोबारा से. Actually वो तो पता नहीं घूम कहीं मिल ढूंढने में ही मुझे बहुत टाइम लगेगा. Send me just right now. Okay, अभी भेजें तो आसानी से भी. Okay, Sania Lal Baksh, is she present? Or Zargul present? Yeah, is Zargul present? Is Zargul present? No. Is Zargul Bloch present?
Sir, Zargul is there, but her mic is not connected.
Uh,
I don't know. In her front of her name, mic is not being shown.
okay. What about this one? Sania Lal Bloch, Sania Lal Baksh. Is she present? Actually, it says what time लग जाएगा. Everyone should be ready, and if they send their presentation right now, so it will be easy for me. होना तो ये चाहते कि CR को आप लोगों को भेज देते तो it would have been better for me. Now things are very difficult. देखें आप लोग प्रेजेंटेशन अभी दे देंगे आप लोगों के लिए आसानी हो जाएगी वरना तो ये दोबारा लूंगा नहीं क्योंकि बहुत कम वक्त है हमारे पास वी हैव वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम तो 15
Sir,
मिनट
may
का
I start my presentation?
नेम
Anam Abdullah.
Anam Abdullah just wait first let me see who is Zulekha Daud has she given presentation
Yes, sir.
okay Anam Abdullah so let me open her presentation okay yes Anam Abdullah I'm opening your presentation
Okay, sir.
start please
Hello, everyone. Assalamu alaikum. This is Anam Abdullah, your classmate. And today I'm going to present my topic that is New Classical Age. The term new classical is a combination of two words. Mm, The word new has been derived from a Greek word which means young or new, while the other word classics refers to the style and the work of ancient author that was Greek and Rome. Why it is called the New Classical Age? Because most of the literature of this period were based on the literature of Roman and Greek writer. Uh, after the NASA, this period, after the NASA, this period came that is which is called New Classical Age. It is also called the Enlightenment Age, the Age of Logic, and 18th century literature. The writers were emphasized on logic and reasons. The writer of this age not focus on plot, but they emphasize on logic and reason. It is also called a period of conscious self-awareness. It is probably the most longest period of English literature. Sir, slide change.
yes carry on
Sir, slide. सर स्लाइड चेंज कर दें।
Slide change नहीं हुई आपकी क्या?
हो गई सर, अभी अभी हुई है। Characteristics of this stage. The characteristics of the stage, writers of new classical period tried to imitate the style of Romans and Greeks. That's why the imitation was the most important character of this period. They imitate the style and theme of the Roman and Greek writers. New classical literature is characterized by order and accuracy. That's why this age, also called the age of logic and reason. Literature of this stage concerned with human nature. Stages of new classical age. There are three stages of new classical age. First one is Restoration stage that was started in 1660 and end in 1700. Second one was Augustan stage, and third one was Age of Sensibility. Restoration age, also called the Restoration age, also called the age of Dryden, that was started in 1600 and end in 1700. Slide change.
Okay, just tell me about one thing. What is age of sensibility?
Age of sensibility. The age of
Just tell me briefly.
sensibility. It is age of sensibility, sir. It was started in 1750 and end in 1784. It was started in the middle of 18th century. That's why this also called the 18th century literature. The chief writer of this age was Dr. Johnson, Samuel Johnson. That also he was also known as Dr. Johnson.
And what is the significant quality of this age or characteristic of this age?
Significant qualities. The period marked the transition towards the upcoming Romanticism. The writer paying extreme concern about quality of intellectual reason and balance and order.
Thank you. Okay, now let me ask Zargul if she is present. Yes, Zargul, if she is present. Yes, who is giving presentation now?
Sir, me, Amreen Lal.
Amreen Lal. Have you sent your presentation? Yes, आपने भेज दी अपनी presentation?
मैंने व्हाट्सएप पे आपको भेजी है।
आपकी presentation मिली by which name?
Sir, Amreen.
No, what?
Aristotle age.
Aristotle says, right. Got it. So please, I'm opening your presentation. Start it. इसमें तो जुलेखा के नाम से जुलेखा दाऊद।
सर मेरा टॉपिक सेम ही था। सर आई सेंड विद दिस, ये जुलेखा के नाम से नहीं है सर?
नहीं, यहाँ तो जो मैंने भी खोला तो जुलेखा दाऊद के नाम से आ रहा है टॉपिक, जो स्टूडेंट का नाम है। तो क्या आप उनकी प्रेजेंटेशन आप भी दे रही हैं क्या?
सर मैंने आपको अपनी भी भेजी अभी।
आपने भेजी है?
वेट मैं देखती हूँ।
Send me your presentation.
Yes sir. Okay.
Okay. Any other student? Yeah, are there any other students who want to give presentation? Day after tomorrow, we will have normal classes and we will discuss Matthew Arnold's essay, The Study of Poetry. Tonight or tomorrow, I will send you the images of the handouts.
Sir?
Yes.
मेरी प्रेजेंटेशन रहती है।
हाँ तो आप भेजें ना भाई, रहती है, मैं तो इंतजार कर रहा हूँ, जल्दी से भेजो, टाइम खत्म हो जाएगा।
सर आपको सेंड की है मैंने।
अभी भेजिए आपने, अभी भेजें अभी।
ठीक है सर, रीसेंट का।
आप फौरन से भेज दें, जल्दी से, वी आर रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम।
Sir, I have sent.
Okay, I'm playing your one, Wajid Ali Somro. So let me play your presentation. Start.
Assalamualaikum everyone.
Speak loudly. थोड़ा करीब से बात करें, बोलें.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My topic is what is plot. So next, please. What is plot? Aristotle declares plot to be surprise important to the soul of tragedy, more important than the more revelation to personal qualities, character, or the intellectual process thought of the dramatic character concerned. So next,
Explain the slide.
sir, according to Aristotle, plot refers not to the story itself, but to the arrangement of incident or structure and present to play. Sir, मतलब ये
Yes. Carry on.
हेलो,
Yeah, just carry on. बोलें.
आवाज आ रही है?
आवाज आ रही है, बोलें.
The plot should be like an organic whole. It is the part removed, whole should be disturbed. The arrangement of incident in the plot. Tragedy possible without character but not without action. Aristotle, action means process, not activity. A play without action means, in this sense, would be a play in which nothing happens, which there is no begin or no end. Character with action will achieve the end of tragedy. So next, please.
Yes.
Component of chain. Inceptive movement start the cause and effect chain, yet cannot be depend on anything outside the compose of the play. Example, its causes are downplayed, but its effects are traced. Yes, please.
You are reading, my dear. Explain your slides.
Sir,
रीडिंग ना करें, एक्सप्लेन करें ना, जो आपने लिखा पॉइंट्स पे एक्सप्लेन करें.
climax must be caused by the earlier incident and itself cause the incident. Follow it, its cause and effect are traced.
Okay, what is your topic?
Plot.
What is? Can you tell me what is the most important thing about plot?
Sir, plot जो है किसी भी ड्रामा एंड प्ले के सेंटर पार्ट होता है और जिसमें क्लाइमेक्स होता है एंड चेन होता है सर.
और प्लॉट कितने किस्म के होते हैं? Tell me about the kinds of plot. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, the next one is who is this?
Yes, sir.
Just wait. माइक अपना बंद कर दें प्लीज. म्यूट योर माइक. जिसके जहां से आवाज आ रही है काइंडली सो माइक को म्यूट कर दें. Too much disturbance we are having. Okay, I have opened this one. ये अमरीनलाल, क्या आपने उन्हीं की स्लाइड पे सिर्फ नाम चेंज करके दे दिया मुझे? ये प्रेजेंटेशन दे रही है. Yes. The same present slides are you showing? Yes, अमरीनलाल, आप क्या
Start.
जुलेखा वाली प्रेजेंटेशन ही को आप शो कर रही हैं? Answer my question.
Okay. I'm Lal. Today is the silent feature of the.
Excuse me. I'm just asking you, are you showing me the same presentation which Zulekha Daud has given? Are you showing me the same? Are you giving the same presentation? क्या आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही.
मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा हूँ कि आप वही प्रेजेंटेशन दे रही जो जुलेखा दाऊद ने दी थी, क्योंकि आपने सिर्फ नाम चेंज किया है. ये वही प्रेजेंटेशन है. आर यू गेटिंग मी?
सर अभी आ रही है, पहले नहीं आ रही.
हाँ, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, मैं पूछना चाह रहा हूँ कि आपने जो प्रेजेंटेशन दी है ये तो पहले ऑलरेडी देख चुका कोई.
नो सर, टॉपिक सेम था मेरा, दाऊद और सना एंड इकरा.
तो टॉपिक सेम होने से मरा थोड़ी कि आप सब एक ही प्रेजेंटेशन बारी बारी देंगे. तो आपने तो अपना तैयार करना है, उन्होंने अपना तैयार करना है.
नो सर, ये मेरी चेंज है सर.
लेकिन ये तो वही चीज़ है जो आपने जो अभी जुलेखा के पास थी, जुलेखा दाऊद के पास थी, वही चीज़ है, सिर्फ नाम चेंज किया.
नो सर, लोगों की वजह से लग रहा है BBSLU का वो लोगो सेम है, मैं हमारा बाकी सारा चेंज है, डिफरेंट है.
बाकी चेंज देख लीजिएगा, क्योंकि VC साहब के पास जाएगा, इसमें थोड़ा सा भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो ना तो आप
जी सर
बुरी तरह से फंस जाएंगी. मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूँ बिकॉज इट इज बीइंग रिकॉर्डेड एंड इट इज सेंड टू द ग्रुप. ओके, प्लेइंग वन, आई एम प्लेइंग. तो आप भी फंसेंगे साथ में, ज़ाहिर है फिर हमें दिखाना पड़ेगा आगे. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड प्लेजरिज्म. स्टार्ट.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum. I am Amreen Lal. Today my presentation topic is the silent feature of the Aristotle age. Aristotle was a great philosopher who wrote a slide.
Yes. Carry on.
Aristotle was a great philosopher who wrote a many and who touched all the subjects. Aristotle wrote estimated 200 books: politics, rhetoric, ethics, science, and philosophy and psychology. Okay, sir, next slide. Poetics. At the Aristotle age, the poets were not doing their jobs very properly. At the age of the poet was stop writing poetry and they just making youth in a meaningless world. So poets are not doing their job properly. They are not writing as they are. Poet was not as it should be. Okay, so next slide. Happiness. According to Aristotle, happiness for Aristotle is a kind of activity. Aristotle defining the happiness, it is a lived well, it is a life well lived. It means we are, happiness for Aristotle is not a pleasure, it's pleasure. We're out highest goal, then we could be no different from animals, but we have rational capabilities. Aristotle defining the difference between the animals and the human lives. So it's the main difference is education. So education making a difference in a human's life and an animal's life. So okay, there is one more issue in the in that age, politics. Okay, politics are uncertainty, stable. At that time, Greeks are ruled over the state and main citizen. They are dominant at that time, and Greek are uh, Greek are believing the main gods, worship the other gods, and there is a main issue, uh, education. Okay, education was a sorry in a street. In a poetry, the works of a humor was very important because they are not allowed the child to attend any institute, any study without knowing about the humor. Humor was an essential part of the study. Education was in a terrible in this situation at that time. Okay, and one more thing is more affected at that time Aristotle's view on the women's. Women are very performing and very illiterated. Women were considered inferior beings. They have no rights as an inferior. Women were deprived of education and had no rights for a voting. Women had no respect. And one thing more is
Okay, thank
one
you.
more thing is that time.
What's your
Yes,
topic?
sir.
What
Sir, silent feature of the Aristotle.
silent feature of Aristotle? So what about the political system of that time?
So political system was very uncertain because there was a war at that time. So that was a very political issues, and political uncertainty. State is not able. State is not settled.
Okay, thank you very much. Who is next?
Yes, sir.
Next. Who is next?
Sir, it's me, Sargul.
Zargul. Okay, I'm playing your ones. Here we go. Start, please.
My topic is plot. Sir, first
Start.
slide.
Start. Yeah, carry.
Plot. The plot is the story. The plot is the story reduced to its benefit on outline. Means plot is the main part of a story. Describe the events that make up a story. These events relate to each other in a pattern or a sequence. The structure of a novel depends on organizations or events. Next, sir. Then come plot line. Plot action or event in a story, and it has 5 parts: exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, resolution. Next, please. There are elements of plots: climax, rising action, exposition, falling action, and resolution. The first one is exposition. Sir, next, please. Exposition. This is that part of a story, usually the beginning, which they explain the background and setting of the story. The characters are often introduced in the exposition. Means it is the opening part, which is audience and characters introduce their self and their situations.
Rising action. This is the central part of a story during which various problems arise leading up to the climax. Rising action in a plot is a series or relevant incident that creates suspense, interest, and tensions in a narrative. Next, sir. Then come climax. This is the highest point, the turning point in the action of a story. The turning point is where the curricular or major change occurs. Means climax is the term used to refer to part of a story or a plot play where the tension reaches in its highest part, and sometimes the climax is the crisis point in the plot.
Okay. Okay. Tell me about. There are two types of plots. One is complex. Second is simple. What is simple plot?
Complex is simple.
Simple plot. Simple. What do we call simple plot? सिंपल प्लॉट किसे कहते हैं?
Complex plot is simple and
कॉम्प्लेक्स तो कॉम्प्लेक्स है ना,
sir,
कैसे होगा?
simple plot
कॉम्प्लेक्स तो कॉम्प्लेक्स ही होगा ना, सिंपल प्लॉट क्या होता है? ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। नेम क्या नाम है?
Zargul.
जरगुल, थैंक यू। ओके, हु इज नेक्स्ट?
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू। नाउ हु इज नेक्स्ट? Yes, who is next? Is there anyone left? Is there anyone? Is there anyone left? अब जो प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं दे रहा है इसका मतलब उसके मार्क्स जो है वो 15 नंबर तो उसके चले जाएंगे। He or she will lose 15 marks and also lose the opportunity of leaving good impression upon his or their teacher. So still many students are left. Is there anyone who is left? Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much.